So, Flatcap, I have been inspired by your streaming. I've been reading the Bible out loud. Every other stream is going to be an out loud Bible stream. So, the past few streams have been starting with Genesis 37, starting with the story of Joseph. I got through. We're done with Genesis, and the next book is Exodus, doing it straight on through. I did not do Genesis 1 through 36, though, so maybe I should go back and do those chapters. All right, all we need is a hand. Can I get a hand? Can I get a hand with my hand? Not my best joke. It was not really that funny. Thank you for the chuckle. Thank you for the polite chuckle. So we had in my hometown church, we had some visitors. They are missionaries from Colombia. I didn't say that right. I'm sure I didn't say that right. Colombia. All the Colombian people are holding their ears when I say it, so I'm not going to say it again. It does not sound as cool as when she said it. They're not native to Colombia, but they have spent more time and have had more practice of saying the words correctly. So it was Palm Sunday, and we had visitors from Colombia, and a marimba player at church. You don't see a marimba player every day at church. We had piano and organ and there was a cello and I think I'm forgetting some things. And voices, obviously. Maybe not so obviously, but that's what you usually see in churches, voices. Was supposed to go there last year. Plans fell through. Oh, Colombia? Oh, is that where your coffee company is? So yes, they did bring a bunch of coffee. They drink coffee in shot glasses, tiny shot glasses. So instead of drinking a whole 16 ounces and carrying it around like we like to do in the United States. They drink 1 or 2 ounces at a time. And that's it. That's it. They're done. They're done until the next shot of coffee. And they put that down. Most coffee we have is Guatemala, but yes, was supposed to go to Colombia. Colombia. Still doesn't sound right. I still don't say it right. I took 2 semesters of Spanish. I should give those semesters back. I'm sorry, I'm not using the Spanish. Can I return my Spanish, please? Wait. Colombia. Colombia. This Spanish that I took is defective. Could I please give it back? Can I get a return on my money? Can I get my tuition back, please? So I took 2 semesters of Spanish after I took already. I took too much French and then took Spanish afterwards. So I took French in high school, and I thought, you know, language, I can learn languages. I already learned French. What's going to be so difficult? They are very similar. French and Spanish are very similar to each other, so I was mixing up my vocabulary. So now when I speak Spanish, I'm mixing it with my French, and it turns out becoming Portuguese. That's a language joke there. All my Spanish was through 10th grade, so nothing conversational except coworkers and friends understanding more than I can communicate. Awesome. Well, I took French, and it's not often I get the opportunity to practice French, because I don't run into any French people. Not in my neck of the woods. So I told my daughter, if you're going to take a language, take Spanish or something that you can use. And what did she do? She went off and took French. So I should have told her, make sure you take French. I guess it depends on what part of the country you live in. Not many French speakers in Pennsylvania. I have to do some erasing. I made some mistakes. Oh no, I'm going to be behind. I'm not going to finish. I'm not going to finish by today. Maybe I'll have to extend the stream.